Oh, we got our buddy Steven by us. The camera out. You find it. Today we are tracking Sparky, our high mileage, now 261,000 mile E36 M3 for the second time this season and the last time this year. We had it out earlier this year and we had a track mishap. Now we're ready for version 2.0, still on all season tires, but it is a cold November day outside. So I've been having this issue with the M3 at like 90 to sometimes faster miles per hour. The corner of the sunroof like pops up and it makes a horrible like vibration wind noise. So our solution for today is for a track we're gonna be going really fast is to tape it. Ingenuity
with cool aqua blue tape.
Breeds racing.
Just like a detail.
Exactly.
He's
yeah.
taping everything off. Yeah.
All right, time to send it.
Kind of blind.
Okay, all right, this is straight.
Yeah, you're just straight. Yep. Yeah, then your braking zone.
Yep.
Beautiful. Turning at the cone. Apex, pretty simple corner. Yeah. Nice. And then yeah, track out. Yeah, that's it. Now you're. That's your final braking zone. To the right. To the right.
Right. Got it.
Yeah, braking zone. So you're turning cones right there.
Yep. We did some practice for a while with my friend Steven, but I wasn't quite getting the line. So in light of me having no idea what the line is at Gingerman, we now have the Topher is going to show us a proper line in, say, WRX TS?
WRX TS.
TS.
Yeah. They couldn't build an STI, so they gave us this.
They gave us
it's
this.
Almost an STI.
Almost an STI. It's like a little like participation trophy.
Exactly.
That's what this car is, yeah.
Except it might be better than the previous STI. I don't know.
That's
I like
true.
it a lot. It's really good.
Are you about to find out?
We're about to find out.
We're about to find out. So, we're gonna see the line and find out how good the WRX TS is.
Right now,
Yeah.
there's Q.
I would roll more of this footage, but the Topher has a full video of this car on his channel, and it's extremely quiet. Castrol 5W30.
Yes, sir. High mileage.
High mileage.
Resists burn off.
Resists burn off.
Restores seals.
Restores seals.
I always think it's the funniest thing.
What about engine performance? Do we get restoration of that?
It's guaranteed for 20,000 miles.
Not in this car.
Or after you burn it off. Yeah. This car has a feature, it's called self oil change.
Ah,
That's right.
yes.
Yeah. That's right.
It's always getting more additive.
That's right.
Okay, we're already failing on following his line. There we go. I see how that works now. Same steering angle. Make this one wider. Guys, we're getting it. There we go. What just happened? Ah. Yep. Okay, we're good. Man, that sucks. I had the wrong corner. That's what I did. Oh my God, that turbo noise. There's so many nice cars here. Post running off track, looking over the car, I didn't really see any damage. The guy up at the front had a leaf blower and he kind of blew out our wheels here. You can see where the grass sort of made little etches in our brake dust here. I also noticed our front splitter got a little bit of scuffing and whatnot here. Hopefully it'll all clean up. We do have an FCP or a lifetime warranty on the splitter, so I mean, screw it. Otherwise, the car seemed to hold up pretty fine. It was a pretty clean runoff. After I saw it was definitely running off, I then just decided to commit and I went between two cones instead of smacking one of the cones out of the way or hitting anything, just to inconvenience everybody as little as possible. I misjudged the corner. I thought that the corner I was on was a later corner, and at that later corner you don't have to brake. So I didn't brake, and then last minute I realized, oh shoot, this is not the right corner. So I started to brake and it was too late. So we went off, but fortunately it was clean. The car just kind of four-wheeled, like slid. A little disheartened after that, and also I am noticing the brake pedal feels a little finicky. I might have mentioned it earlier, I can't remember, but the brake pedal in this car, it's sort of like changing pressure sometimes mid-lap or mid-brake, kind of going between light and a little bit heavier, and you can kind of feel the ABS sometimes getting a little bit tweaky. I'm not entirely sure what's going on there. Someone did tell me my brake booster, oh my God. God, the cars here are so loud. Somebody did tell me that my brake booster is bad based on the pedal feel. This winter, I'm definitely gonna replace that seal around the brake booster, and hopefully that helps because it's a little unnerving. And I've actually noticed it too on street driving, the inconsistent brake pedal. Now it's just amplified out here. So definitely before I take this to track again, I need to fix that issue. But otherwise, we're doing pretty well out here. I still need to learn Gingerman. It's a very technical track and it's much harder than Groton Raceway. So I'm learning. I just need to get some more track time. We still have over 2.5 hours out here, and I feel like I've already gotten a lot of seat time today, which is awesome. Let's go ahead and hop back out there. How's that line?
Pretty good. Surprised at how well this car still gets down in a straight line.
I know, right?
Like
it's quick.
Yeah, it is. Like right there. But probably faster than the shift.
Exactly. If I'm shifting, it's for mechanical sympathy.
Yeah, fair enough. That's been pretty good.
Actually, I'm finding if I have the tack higher when I'm starting my brake, my pedal feels better.
I guess you can drive around it.
There we go. Coming up here, press city lift slightly to let the front end kind of grip. Yeah, maintenance throttle. It's gonna be a while before I'm comfortable taking that one really fast.
What's up?
It'll be a while before I'm comfortable taking that one really fast.
Oh,
That other corner, yeah.
Could go wrong very fast.
Yes. I'm surprised I'm still understeering because now I have square tires in this car. I'm actually running square Continental DWS 06 Pluses, 245s each corner. Stock setup is 245s in the rear, and this is 25s in the front. And I have more tread in the front. The fronts are new and the rears are not. Car's still understeer, so it's just the way my suspension set up or something. I'm not sure. Honestly though, I don't mind. It makes the car kind of more forgiving in a lot of ways. I don't know, maybe I would like a little more oversteer. Oh, we got our buddy Steven by us. Come around, we finally. Ooh, okay. I shouldn't have spoke too soon. You know, sometimes the universe just kind of throws you signs, and today's not my day. Not my day on track. All right, I'm going in. We're good. Our cold November track day did turn into a cold, rainy November track day. So that is it for this video. If you all enjoyed, smash the like and the subscribe button. Let me know you guys like this sort of content. We had 2 mishaps, but neither of them wound up in car damage or driver damage, other than my emotional damage, my ego. It's a little bruised after that one, but it's okay. We'll come back next year. We'll be improved. We'll fix the issues this car has over the winter, and then we'll continue to improve our driving skills. So with all that said, take care, and we'll see you in the next one.
Feels like I've been doing